Hey everyone! Welcome back to Awesomer Kids! Today I'm super excited to blend up some healthy smoothies with you. Smoothies are great any time of the day, especially during summer when you need to cool off. I went to the farmer's market this morning and picked up a whole basket of fresh fruit. We have some delicious strawberries, and limes, and some super sweet oranges. Yum! I can't wait to start making some delicious and healthy smoothies with you. Let's start with some orange. Oranges are a great source of vitamin C, and it will help keep you healthy and energized all day. And it's perfect for the summertime because who wants to be sick inside
when you can be playing outside?
Now I'll add some banana. Bananas are full of potassium and fiber, which is great to go with oranges because not only will it prevent you from getting cramps, it'll keep you full all day.
So the fun never has to stop.
The next thing I'll add is a lemon to give the smoothie a good tartness and a little bit of acidity. Lemon juice is also very high in vitamin C. Sailors actually used to use lemon and lime juice to prevent getting scurvy. To this day, the British Navy still requires ships to carry enough lemons so that every sailor can have 1 ounce of lemon juice a day.
Time to mix it up. Yay, our smoothie is done!
I'll pour you out some. That is one jiggly smoothie, and it's packed with vitamin C. One of these in the morning and you'll be good to go. For my next smoothie, I'll make something super refreshing. It'll start with some strawberries. Strawberries aren't actually a true berry like blueberries or grapes. They're actually a part of the rose family.
I know, what? Strawberries are fruit!
They're a part of the rose family because of how fragrant they are. If you've ever walked by a bush of strawberries, you could definitely smell how sweet they are. Next, I'll add a summertime favorite.
Watermelon!
Watermelons are made up of 92% water.
So eating watermelon really hydrates your body.
It's also known to help with muscle soreness. So after basketball tryouts, chow down on some cold watermelon.
Yum! Let's mix it up.
Here's your summertime smoothie. Let's make another one. We'll start out with some tropical pineapple this time. Pineapples are high in vitamin C, and it has this special enzyme in it that helps you digest better. Let's add a pear to our smoothie. There are over 3,000 different types of pears in the world.
It's one of the highest fiber fruits.
And it has something special in it called boron.
Or what?
Boron helps your body retain calcium, which keeps your bones nice and strong. Yum! Here's our healthy and delicious smoothie.
Enjoy!
For my next smoothie, I'll start out with a favorite. Apples!
We've all heard that an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
This is because apples contain no fat, sodium, or cholesterol.
And here's a fun fact to tell your parents if they drink coffee.
Apples actually give you longer lasting energy than coffee. Now let's add some peach. Peaches are good for your digestive system, and it helps soothe your stomach. It's also a natural stress reliever. In Hungary, it's known as the fruit of calmness.
So if your siblings are driving you a little insane, have a peach and calm down. Let's give it a good mix. Now let's kick back, relax, and enjoy the smoothie.
For my last smoothie, I'll keep it classic with a favorite. First, I'll add some banana. And now I'll add some strawberry. This is a classic combination that everyone loves.
One strawberry banana smoothie coming right up.
Well, I had so much fun learning about fruit with you. Give this video a big thumbs up if you learned something new. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!